This new feature in Viva can be used in both a data submission and a non-data submission. First, if you are making a submission that contains data, the attachment section can be used to document email correspondence and any other documents that do not fit into the binder structure or are not needed to be placed in the binder for that submission. When you are creating a non-data submission, as seen at the bottom of this slide, you can add all your local documents to the attachment section, as seen in step 2, as well as email correspondence and other documents. The Attachments tab is located at the regulatory action level of every registration in Viva. Once you create a regulatory action by using the Create button, or select a pre-existing regulatory action, you will see the attachment option as the third line item in the regulatory action. Any document that is placed in the attachment section of the regulatory action should be a local document that does not contain any data that needs to be searchable or quantifiable later on. So this could include cover letters, application forms, general correspondence, email correspondence, and other region-specific information. It is very important to remember that these documents will not be able to be searched in the Viva Cloud Library at a later time. Uploading them to the regulatory action allows for users to later view these documents if they are looking for something. However, they will not be searchable in the main Viva Cloud. So if the document should be searchable later on, please be sure to upload it directly into the cloud. The first option to upload your local documents into the attachment section is to simply highlight all documents and drag and drop them into the attachment section. Once these documents have been uploaded, there is an option to edit, and I would recommend entering some basic information such as the regulatory action, description of submission, authority that it was submitted to, and the date onto each document. I suggest this because if you have a resubmission or resubmission documents, you may have different dates, and then these documents will get all jumbled together. So by noting the different dates and when they were submitted, you can quickly see which documents were made with which part of the submission. A second option is to highlight the documents that you would like to upload, right-click, and then combine these files in Adobe. When you do this, Adobe will open and ask if you do indeed want to combine the files. You then select Combine, and then save them as one package. I would recommend similar saving patterns of the regulatory action, description of summary, the authority it was submitted to, and a date. By doing it this way, you can upload one document as an entire package, and so this would be the preferred methodology that I would suggest. Next, when you are uploading a group of emails into the attachment section, it can be very helpful to upload them as a chain. So when you're in your email, you can right-click and then convert to Adobe PDF. When you save, we'll save all of the emails as one file, and then you can upload them as one group of documents into the attachment section. So there you have it, 3 various options, one to upload emails, one to upload all local documents bundled into one, or the option to upload them as individual documents.